Hey, Kev with Kev's Can Cave. Appreciate you stopping by. If you've never been with us before, definitely appreciate you stopping by. Uh, I want to show you how to take this air hose here, how to make repairs to it, how to make a custom size air hose. What I wanted to do is I wanted to make a hose, and I did, that goes from my compressor to my hose reel, then simply unplugs and does double duty for my bike lift controls. Let me show you how I did that. Hey, Kev, back here at the workbench with you. What you need to know to fix or repair your own hose and or make your own custom size hoses is you need to know the inside diameter of that hose and the outside diameter. The inside diameter is printed on the outside of most hoses. This is a 3/8 inch inside diameter hose. I already knew this was 5/8, but take a wrench and see what the outside diameter is. It's smaller than 5/8 a little bit smaller than 5/8. All these are 3/8 inch inside diameter hoses for examples, and this is bigger than 5/8. You can also take a caliper and do like a go, no go. This is a no go. This is a go. We got some room to work with. And this is a go, because the next step is to take this fitting that I ordered a 3/8, 5/8, 3/8 inside diameter and 5/8 outside diameter. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna slide it, according to Dixon's website, over this hose, over the square end of this hose. So cut that off square. Before you do anything, slide it on there, and you're gonna make a mark here, a reference mark, and I'll show you later on in the vise what that reference mark's for. And then you simply screw this in. This will all be in a vise. I'll show you here in a little bit. But it doesn't say anything about screwing it on. I did screw it onto this one. You have to screw it left-hand thread, and you can see it did tear into the hose a little bit. And I don't think that personally hurts it too much, but Dixon's looks like they've already thought of this by offering this same 3/8 fitting in 11/16 and 3/4 inch. So there's really no reason to do that, even though I think you could do it and get away with it because there's pretty good amount of meat on this wall here. So let's go to the vise and I'll show you what I'm talking about again. Hey, Kev back with you here at the workbench. Cut your hose square, stick it on there as far as you can. You're going to make a reference mark, and that'll come in handy later to see if the hose moved on you while you're doing all this. Take this, put it in the vise. Obviously you don't want to crunch this fitting. I've already put a little bit of soap on the threads of this piece, and we're going to start screwing her in there. I'm holding the hose up into the fitting until this piece can grab a hold of it and pinch it a little bit. But the bottom line is you want this hose here to spin as you turn this here. So you want this hose to be able to move freely. We'll put this on here. We'll give it 2 to 3 turns. And then we'll back it off 1 turn. 2 to 3 more. You're tightening it, and then you're loosening it a little bit. And loosen it 1. We'll loosen it up a bit. I'm kind of holding it here in the vise. I don't want to squish it too bad. Loosen it up. should have it. Okay, while it's still in the vise, see where our mark is? This was a successful job here. If this line I made is more than 1/8 of an inch from the bottom of this fitting, do it all over again. It's a reusable fitting. This one actually worked out really good and worked out successful. I'm not going to tell you that they all work out successful. I had a couple of them where I ended up slipping more than 1/8 inch away. But from what I can tell, it seemed like the less soap I used, the better. And this is a successful one. It's just like the last one I did. There was a couple times I messed up on them, but the very first one I did was good, and this one was good. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out a little bit. And definitely appreciate you stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. You all have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.